Good morning children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe inside your homes. Now today let us start with second chapter under civics, that is diversity and discrimination. Diversity and discrimination. So now first let us find out what is diversity. So you have previously studied the whole chapter on diversity, but still I will clarify that what is diversity. So what is diversity? Diversity means a group of people where different characteristics exist, where each and every person is different, their qualities are different, their needs are different, their food habits are different, where there is a difference in the lifestyle of the people. It is known as diversity. So now diversity occurs in many different areas like say race, religion, community, age, gender, social status, economic status. All these are what? These are the forms, these are the aspects in which diversity occurs. So now let us move to the examples of diversity. Now what could be the examples of diversity? Like say there are 8 major religions and more than 1600 languages. There are many different styles of art, painting. There are many dance forms, like there are more than 100 dance forms. So all these are what? All these are examples of the diversity, where there are different people whose languages are different, food habits are different, their location, geographical location is different, and all of it. So this is what we understand by diversity. So far we have studied what is diversity, diversity occurs in which aspects, and what are the examples of diversity. So our next topic is prejudice. So what is prejudice? What is being prejudiced? It means that making a decision about a person before knowing them. What is it, prejudice? It means you are making a decision, you are creating an opinion, you are forming an opinion on your own without knowing that person. That is, you are prejudging the person, you are not knowing the person, you have not talked to that person, you don't know anything, but still there is something called a decision which you have already made in your mind. So that is called what? So that is prejudice. And because of this prejudice there occurs discrimination. Because of this prejudice there occurs discrimination. Discrimination meaning bhedbhav, where people are not treated equally, they are treated differently. So this is what is prejudice, and on the basis of prejudice there occurs discrimination. Now let us study the example of prejudice. We may feel shy from the person who is having a history of mental illness, or say who has visited a psychiatrist, or who is literally having a history where he was having mental illness. So we are afraid of them. Why are we afraid of them? We are afraid of them because we think they may harm us. So this is what? This is a type of prejudice that we are creating. That is the type of decision we are making about the person without actually knowing the person, without actually having the knowledge of that person. So this is what? We are creating a prejudice, we are creating a discrimination, where the person, the other person's history we don't know, but we just know that he was suffering from some mental illness, and because of which he can harm us. So this should not be done, and we should not be prejudiced at all. Like in the next slide you can see, I don't want blacks living in my neighborhood. So this is what? We are creating discrimination, we are having prejudice with them. So like we are saying that I don't want blacks living in my neighborhood, or I don't want Jews around, I don't want Jews, that is the people of Jew community owning businesses in my town. So that is all what? You are judging the people on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their community. So this is what? This is here you are creating prejudice, this is you are being prejudiced, you are creating discrimination. This is the cause of discrimination. Like I don't want a Muslim community in the center of the town. That example is given. So that is what? You are creating a prejudice about the community called Muslim community. So you are creating differences. You are not accepting the religion's community, but you are indeed causing the discrimination. That is why it becomes a cause of discrimination. So prejudice will always remain a cause of discrimination, where we are judging the people on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their community, without actually knowing the person's history. Now there are some effects of prejudice. So what are the effects of prejudice? Fights, arguments, hatred, war, riots, all these are what? All these are causing differences. So in this way we hurt each other, we fight with each other, we create a hatred between ourselves. So all this is what? All this is nothing but these are the effects of prejudice which are causing the discrimination. So now let us have a quick recap of all those things which we have studied today. So starting with what is diversity, we have studied, means different characteristics existing in a group of people. What are the examples of diversity we have studied? There are more than 1600 languages, different dance forms, different arts, different paintings. So these all signify that there is diversity in India. So that was about diversity. Next we studied was prejudice. So what is prejudice? The opinion which we are creating about the people without knowing them actually. So that is prejudice. What are the effects of prejudice and what are the examples of prejudice? So far in this video we have covered two topics, that is diversity and prejudice. Likewise we will cover the next topics in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.